Africa doesn't struggle because supply is weak. It struggles because demand is fragmented. And until that is fixed, scale will remain a myth. Now, the problem is African markets are disconnected, inconsistent, unpredictable. This kills economies before they grow. And so the framework I highlight here is what I call the demand consolidation model. First, geographic fragmentation, 54 countries, 54 regulations, 54 markets. Two, income fragmentation, a tiny elite, a massive low income base, a missing middle. Three, cultural fragmentation, different languages, taste, and norms. The solution I propose here is the three demand builders. First, regional platforms. Platforms that unify markets across borders. I'm talking about payments, logistics, media, as well as e-commerce. These create continental demand. Two, middle class expansion tools. Credit, education, and stable jobs create predictable demand. Predictable demand also creates scale. Three, cultural standardization. Shared culture equals shared consumption. This is why Nigerian music scaled, I beg your pardon, scaled globally, like I mentioned in my other episode. The opportunity here is Africa doesn't need more supply. It needs consolidated demand. And demand is something we can always design. If Africa builds unified demand, scale becomes inevitable because supply follows demand, not the other way around.